Good morning to everyone. In the last class, you learnt simple present. In the simple present, how to make assertive, negative, and interrogative. You learnt. Even one more thing also you learnt, that is a present continuous. So now you tell me, before going to continue, what is the formula of simple present? Can you tell anyone? Can you tell me anyone? What is the simple present formula? You took one formula. What is that? What is that formula? Subject, V1, object. It is a simple present formula. Is it understand? So, when you make a negative or interrogative, you have to use helping verbs. What are those? Two helping verbs are there in simple present when you make a negative and interrogative. Tell me, what are those? Do or does. Is it right? Then present continuous. Who will tell me? Present continuous formula. Subject, am, is, are, then V1, ing. That is a present continuous formula. Subject to V1, object to simple present formula. Am, is, are, that is a present continuous formula. Does it understand? So in this class we are discussing about present perfect and present perfect continuous. Let us see what is present perfect tense. What is present perfect tense? Take the definition. Let's take the definition. Present perfect. What is the present perfect definition? Write down. It is an action. It is an action which began in the past and which was completed by the time of speaking. Tell me, what is the definition of present perfect? The definition is there. Just read that definition. It is an action which began in the past and which was completed by the time of speaking. It means the action now only completed. That means now only that action is completed. That is called a present perfect. So what is the formula? Subject, have, has, then V3. What is the formula of present perfect? Subject, have, has, then V3. Mother has cooked. Mother has cooked. Then second example. Raju has learnt. Raju has learnt. I have passed IAS exam. I have passed IAS exam. Here they have played Coco. They are playing Coco. Then she has sung a song. the function. In the function. See here, look these example. For examples are there. Mother has cooked. Mother has cooked. So mother is subject. Mother is a subject. As it is a helping verb. Then cook with 3. Cook, cooked, cooked. Past and past participle both are same. Cook, cooked, cooked. Is it understand? Mother has cooked. Raju has learnt. Here has a helping verb is there. Learn. V3 learnt. Learn. Learnt. Then here learnt. Is it understand? Then I have passed IAS exam. Then they have played Coco. Here fifth one, she has sung a song in the function. These are the present perfect examples. These are what? Present perfect examples. So write down the example with formula and definition. Let us know how to make a negative and interrogative in present perfect. Assertive. A means assertive. A means what? Assertive. Subject have or has, then V3. Then N means negative. Subject have or has, then not. After that V3. Yes, IN. IN means interrogative. Then helping verb. Have or has, then subject, then V3, finally question mark. Let's make the example through the formula. I have speak. If time you take speak, here what you write? Speak, spoke, V3 spoken. Speak, spoke, spoken. We, you, he, she, it, then they. So then we have spoken. We have spoken. But he, she, it has, because he, she, it singular. For this reason we have to use has, spoken. Then they have spoken. It is a assertive. Let us know how to make negative. The formula is there. According to formula, just write it into negative. I have, then not spoken. I have not spoken. We are not spoken. You have not spoken. But he, she, it has not spoken. Then they have not spoken. That is a negative. Okay, write on. See next, interrogative. Have I spoken? Have I spoken? Then, have you spoken? Have you spoken? Have you spoken? Then, has he, she, it spoken? Then, have they spoken? Have they spoken? That is a present perfect. That is in interrogative. That is in interrogative. Let us see what is present perfect. What is present perfect continuous? Present perfect continuous. Let's take the definition. Present perfect. The present perfect continuous tense is used when the action continuous for some duration of time. See here, what is perfect continuous? Present perfect continuous. The present perfect continuous tense is used when the action continuous for some duration of time. That is called a present perfect continuous. Formula: subject have or has, then been, given, ing. See here. Subject have or has, been, given, then finally ing. So, example: I have been learning. Isha has been dancing. Isha has been dancing. Kiran has been playing. Fourth one. Madhu has been speaking. So these are present perfect continuous example. Write down. Let us study how to make a negative and interrogative in present perfect continuous. Assertive, negative, then interrogative. Subject have or has, then not been V1 plus ing. Subject have or has, not, then been V1 plus ing. Here have or has, subject been V1 ing. Then question mark. Subject have or has not been V1 plus ing. Here helping verb have or has, subject been V1 ing. Finally question mark is there. For example, I have been teaching. I have been teaching. We, you, he, she, it, then they. Is it visible? Yes, we have been teaching. You have been teaching. But we see it has been teaching. Then here they have been teaching. Does it understand? So that's like I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. I have not been teaching. This line you should write. Okay. We have not been teaching. You have not been teaching. Then he, she, it has not been teaching. Here they have not been teaching. Let us see how to make a interrogative. Have I been? Have I been teaching? Have I been teaching? Then have you been teaching? Have been teaching. Then have you been teaching? Then has he, she, it been teaching? Then have they been teaching? So assertive, negative, and interrogative. Okay, write down. Is it dry? Over? Hmm? Write down fast. Look at the board, students. It is your homework. So what you shall do? What you should do? See here. First, put the verbs in the brackets into the present perfect. In the class, you learned present perfect and present perfect continuous. Two tenses you have learned. Okay. So on the base, you should write change the example into other tense. It means present perfect. So I live here for 15 years. All these, it means 5 examples, change into present perfect. I, in the bracket, what is that? Live here for 15 years. Then she, in the bracket, what is that? Talk with her brother. Then third example is there. They, in the bracket, catch the train. Then fourth example is here. He, in the bracket, pass KS exam. Then Mohan, in the bracket, don't write down. I will read one by one. Later only you will get out. Okay. Mohan, in the bracket, finish his work. All these 5 examples change into what? Present perfect. You change into what? Present perfect. So let us see one more example. Let's take put the verbs in the brackets into the present perfect continuous. 4 examples are here. How many examples are here? 4 examples are here. Let us see. First one, the phone in the bracket ring for 20 minutes. Then I, in the bracket, read newspaper. Then third one, the child, in the bracket, playing. Then fourth one, he, bracket, in the bracket, talk with friends. So 4 examples you change into present perfect continuous. It is your homework. Now you write down the homework. Is it understand, students? First, what you want to do? By example, change it to present perfect. Then, for examples, change into present perfect continuous. Is it right? Shall I repeat?